All right, check it out. So, update on our white spots. Today is Tuesday. Tenacity was sprayed not this past Saturday, but the Saturday before. So the weeds that were in there are dead, and the grass is, some of it looks like it's starting to come back. Just mowed again. I think I may need to backlap the mower here soon, because if we look real close, a lot of this, there's some stragglers. There's a lot of longer pieces of grass still in here. So I may need to go see if I can find me some backlapping compound. But still looking really good. Overall, the grass is looking pretty good. Let's do an update on the overseeded spots. Say hi. So here's one of the overseeded spots. As you can see, it's coming in pretty good. There was a couple spots over here that were overseeded. Right in here was overseeded. And that's pretty much all filled in. There's a spot here that I'm gonna have to go back and hit again, because it didn't take for whatever reason. But overall, looking pretty good. Over here in the bare area is all but completely filled in now. So what we're gonna do this weekend is I think we're gonna do some more of the next stuff from Greene County Fert. I think Jeremy said he's got some more for me.
Dad, I can see you.
So I think we're gonna do that. I've got here in the garage, got a couple bags of Milo that I picked up a while ago and just haven't used. So we may throw her down this weekend. So yeah, that's about it. We'll see you next time. All right, guys, that's it. That's all we got for today. Feel free to leave me a comment in the comments section. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. I really appreciate you guys watching, and hopefully you'll stick around for next time to see what goes on this weekend. Thanks for watching. See you next time.